Hello, boys and girls. I am back with another story. In this story, I am really mad. And I have to figure out a way that I can be mad, but stay calm. Read along to see how you can stay calm when you are mad too. It makes you feel a lot better. This story is called Shubert is a Star by Dr. Becky A. Bailey, illustrated by James Hurek. Shubert and his sister are feeling mad because it's raining and they cannot go out and play. Shubert sings grumpily, "Hooray, hooray, what a yucky day. Hooray, hooray, I feel mad today." That night, Shubert still feels mad. He refuses to eat his dinner or do his homework. Count me, do your homework. Shubert wakes up the next morning and feels just as mad. He continues to sing his grumpy song. Hooray, hooray, another yucky day. Hooray, hooray, I still feel mad today. He then slams the door shut and heads to school. You can see his sister Sophia did not like when he slammed the door. I don't like when people slam the door either. At school, Crenshaw the cricket is doing his job as the class greeter. He says, "Good morning, friends," and shares a butterfly handshake right there with each friend. Shubert is still angry and steps on Etta the inchworm's hole because he is still mad. Miss Bookbinder hears Etta use her big voice and walks towards Shubert to keep the classroom safe. Miss Bookbinder congratulates Etta the inchworm. "You did great. You used your big voice to tell Shubert what you wanted." Miss Bookbinder says, "Your shoulders are scrunched like this. Your hands are balled up like this. Your body and actions are telling me you might be feeling mad." Miss Bookbinder asks Shubert if he would like some boo-boo cream, cranky cream, or concentration cream. She gives him a squirt of cranky cream. Bye-bye, crankies, bye-bye, crankies, bye-bye, crankies, it's time to say goodbye. Miss Bookbinder asks the class, "Have you ever felt mad?" The class answers, "Yes." Miss Bookbinder then asks the class, "Have you ever felt really calm?" The class answers, "Yes." Miss Bookbinder asks the class, "Which one helps you feel safe, calm or mad?" When we want to be safe, do we want to be calm or mad? Miss Bookbinder asks Shubert to help her show the class how to change from mad to calm. First, she shows them the drain. And take a ring tight, take a deep breath. Let's all try the drain. So we put our hands up real tight, fist tight. You might want to pull your shoulders up. Scrunch your face like you're really mad. You're really tight. Deep breath in, and then like a drain of water, you let your hands come out. This helps Shubert feel better. So he says, "Let's all do another one." So tight, scrunch your face. Like the water slowly comes out of the drain. Next, she teaches them how to balloon breathe. Miss Bookbinder turns to class and says, let's all try ballooning. So like a balloon, we're going to fill up with air. And when a balloon lets it all go, it makes a noise. And it flies through the air kind of crazy. It's called the balloon. Do it with me. You see them starting with their hands on their head? Shubert says, I like ballooning. I don't feel yucky anymore. Miss Bookbinder tells Shubert they will learn a third way to be calm. Miss Bookbinder teaches the class how to be a star. Star. Star means to stop, take a deep breath, and relax. S for stop, T for take a deep breath, A for and, R for relax. Miss Bookbinder says, we have a place in our classroom where we can use these 3 skills when you feel mad. It's called the safe place. His friends all go and practice the skills in the safe place. So safe place, usually something comfy or cozy. There's not much stuff there. Maybe a stuffed animal, something soft. And maybe pictures of that drain and the balloon. Ways that we stop, take a deep breath, and relax. The class gathers around Shubert and sings a song. Now that he's not grumpy anymore, they get to sing and have fun. Hooray, hooray, mad is okay. Hooray, hooray, calm's a better way. Hooray, hooray, I changed my yucky day. Hooray, hooray, I am a star today. And he gets to use the star wand.